Thousands of years na debate na yan. Yung position na complementarian na hindi pwede ang mga women pastors at yung egalitarian view na pwede ang mga women pastors. So our position as a church at yung particular po na verse in the Bible is sa 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse 12. Not allowing women to have authority over men. Nag-aral naman ako. I researched. At sabi diyan sa verse 12, tinignan ko yung word na authorities, authentane. At nakita ko na ito ay, it's only found here in this verse, only once, yung word na authentane na Greek na yan. At alam niyo po yung meaning ng authentane na ito is domineer sa Latin Vulgate at sa New English Bible, usurp authority. So ang ibig sabihin niya, yung regular na gamit ng Greek word na exousia, referring to the use of authority in the church, yun ang regular na ginagamit ni Paul. Pero dito sa 1 Timothy 2:12, hindi yun ang ginamit eh. Authentane yan. Considering the context, it is likely that Paul was objecting to something other than the legitimate use of authority. Possible na yung word na didaskein doon na about teaching is linked doon sa Greek word na authentane. Yung two words joined by a conjunction to make a single point. At yung better interpretation, kung ito yung titignan po natin is, don't teach in a domineering way. Yun po yung punto doon. And some scholars believe na yung I don't permit could be accurately translated as I am not currently permitting. Currently. Ibig sabihin, it was a specific application to what is happening in the church in that particular time na hindi siya applied universally.